Kids, today our story is Caring is Sharing. In a colorful and vibrant neighborhood, two close friends, Emma and Liam, were playing at the park when they stumbled upon a shiny, wrapped piece of candy laying near a bench. Excitement filled the air as they both noticed the sweet surprise. As Emma and Liam examined the candy, a moment of hesitation crept in. They both wanted it, and a brief silent tension hung between them. However, instead of arguing, they looked at each other with understanding and realized the importance of friendship. After a thoughtful pause, Emma suggested, "Why don't we share it? That way we both get to enjoy it." Liam smiled, agreeing with the idea. The decision to share was made, reflecting their understanding that cooperation was more valuable than individual possession. Emma and Liam unwrapped the candy together, and with giggles they broke it into two equal halves. The joy on their faces was not just about the candy, but the realization that sharing made the experience even sweeter. So, kids, the moral of the story is caring is sharing. Thanks for watching.